Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to block someone on Snapchat. So let's get started. If you use Snapchat as your application, your social media, and you don't want to see someone a explorer or someone's stories again spotlight, you can block it. So all you have to do is open the Snapchat, of course, and see one of your friend if you have friend on the chat, this one. So all you have to do is try to hold this guy. Hold this guy icon, or you can go to the stories. Look at the following stories here. Hold this icon again. Just tap this. Block Davido news. Block this guy. Just tap it, and yes, now your friend is blocked. So please feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.